Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Miss Nancy. And today I have an exciting lesson for you. I'm going to teach you how to spell the big word arithmetic in less than 5 minutes. And that's a big word, arithmetic. How many sounds or syllables do you hear in the word arithmetic? Let's clap it out. Arithmetic. 4. Yes, it's a big word. And here it is. Arithmetic. Say it. Arithmetic. Yes. And arithmetic is nothing but math. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, mathematics. It's another word for mathematics. Arithmetic. Let's spell it together. Arithmetic. That's a big word. And you're going to learn how to spell it today. And you know how? We're going to use a device called mnemonic devices. It's a tool. It's a memory tool. It's a way to help you remember how to spell. Yes. Here's the word. Now don't worry about learning how to spell this word. It's mnemonic. Now even though it begins with an M, and I know you want to say mnemonic, but it's not. It's mnemonic. And here it is broken into syllables. Mnemonic. Mnemonic. And that just means a memory tool, a way to help you remember. Because as you learn and as you grow, you're going to get so much information, your mind is going to be overwhelmed. And so you can use a mnemonic device to help you remember things. For example, arithmetic. You might say that's too big of a word to learn how to spell. But once I give you this cool mnemonic device, you'll remember. Now, there are various types of mnemonic devices. There's some called acrostics. There's some called acronyms. There's chunking. There's all kinds. But don't worry about that. We're going to learn a simple one, and it's an acrostic. So what you do is you look at the word arithmetic, right? And so there's a little riddle that you can learn to help you remember. What you do is you take the first letter of the riddle and write that letter down in the word arithmetic. For example, a rat in the house might eat the ice cream. Isn't that funny? A rat in the house might eat the ice cream. Now that's a simple riddle. So if you remember that riddle, it will help you to remember how to spell arithmetic. So you look at the first letter of each word. How do you spell A? And you write it down. Rat. How do you spell rat? R. It begins with an R. R-A-T, right? How do you spell the word in? It's I, right? So you write I. And it's a short vowel, I, right? The, what does the begin with? T. So you write down the T. House. What does house begin with? An H. So you write down the H. Might. Might. What does might begin with? An M. So you write down the M, right? Eat. Eat. Long E. Eat begins with an E. You write down the E. The, T-H-E. So you write the T. That's the first letter in the word the. Ice. Ice. First letter that you hear in ice is I. And cream is C. That's it. A rat in the house might eat the ice cream. And that's all you have to remember. And once you remember that little mnemonic device, you will be able to learn or know how to spell the word arithmetic. Isn't that fun? So let's try writing it down together. Okay, boys and girls, we're now going to practice spelling and writing down the word arithmetic using our mnemonic device. A rat in the house might eat the ice cream. So get a piece of paper and a pencil or a crayon so that we can write the word down together. Okay? Now remember, you're going to write the first letter of each word in the riddle. So, how do you spell A. Good. Rat. Well, you don't have to know how to spell rat, but you have to know what the first letter sounds like. Rat. R. Good. Rat in. I. Short I sound. Good. Rat in the. We know the begins with a T. Right. House. House. It's an H sound. Very good. Might. M. Good. Eat. Long E. Very good. The is a T. Ice. I. You hear a long I. And cream. Cream is a C. And there you have it. ARITHMETIC. Arithmetic. A rat in the house might eat the ice cream. And you've learned how to spell a big word, arithmetic, in less than 5 minutes. You're so smart. Wasn't that a lot of fun? And now you know how to spell the word arithmetic. So the next time someone says to you, do you know how to spell the word arithmetic? You can say with confidence, I certainly can. And then they'll say, well, how do you spell it? And you'll say, a rat in the house might eat the ice cream. So that's all for today. And remember to tell all of your family and friends to subscribe to Learning with Miss Nancy. And before I go, I must eat my ice cream because I am the rat in the house. Bye-bye.